Hello everyone, my name is Ajit and we have a function in Power BI wherein we can check the column distributions. So in column distribution, what we can find is distinct value and unique value in a column. So usually it's confusing like what is distinct value and what is unique values, right, in column profile or in a column distribution. So let's try to understand this in a very simple example that I have a table which uh, has a column which is called as fruits column, wherein it has the name of the fruits, and there is one more column, amount column, which has the amounts. So I'm going to use this table, will import and click on open. So let's quickly click on the table that I want to upload here. This is the table that I want to upload, and then I will click on transform data so that I am in the Power Query editor. So once I have imported the data onto the Power Query editor, let's remove this column distribution first because I want to show how I got here, how I am able to see the column distribution, right? So you have to click on view and then click on column distribution. So once you click on column distribution, you can see the distinct and unique values in the column. So what is unique value? Let's understand that first. So unique values are those values which are the data that we have in the column, which is repeated only once in a simple way. So here you can see orange, pineapple, and banana is repeated only once, right? Or they appear only once. So they are the unique values existing in the particular column. So orange, pineapple, banana. So there are three fruits, so three unique. And distinct is the particular value at least appear once in the particular column. So apple, orange, pineapple, banana. Apple is one, orange, pineapple, banana. So four distinct values. So let's try to understand it again in a better way in the second column, that is amount column. Here we have two unique values because we only have 5 ones and 20 ones. So these are the two unique values present here, right? So two unique values and three distinct values. Why? Because we have 10, 5, 20, right? Which appears. So what Power BI will do while understanding the column distribution is 10, 5, and 20 in the column, which are distinct values present, and it will see that 5 and 20 is appearing only once. So these are the two unique values. I hope you all are able to understand now the difference between distinct value and unique value in a particular column. Do not forget to like, comment, and share the video. Also do subscribe my channel because I'm going to create such informative videos or series of videos which will help you in your PL 300 Microsoft exam. So thank you so much guys, see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.